In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Xbox gift card by email. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Store page for Xbox gift cards. If you're not sure where to find it, search for Microsoft Store Xbox gift card and make sure you're on the official Microsoft site. Check that the region and currency at the top of the page match the recipient's location because Xbox gift cards are typically region-specific and won't work across different stores. Once you're on the correct page, choose the gift card amount that fits your budget and the occasion. You'll see several preset amounts. Pick the amount you want and make sure it's listed as a digital gift card since we're sending it by email. If you're buying multiple cards, you can repeat this selection to add more of the same amount. Next, add the gift card to your cart. Take a quick moment to review your cart so everything looks right, the amount, the quantity, and that it's an Xbox digital code, not a physical card. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. During checkout, sign into your Microsoft account if you aren't already. Choose your payment method and confirm your billing details. Before you place the order, double-check the email address on your Microsoft account because the digital code will be delivered there. If it's wrong, update it first so you receive the message without delays. Complete the purchase and wait for the confirmation page. After checkout, Microsoft will send a 25-character digital code to your email. This code usually arrives within a few minutes, but it can sometimes take a bit longer. If you don't see it, refresh your inbox and check your spam or promotions folders. The code is typically formatted in 5 groups of 5 characters. Treat it like cash. Don't share it publicly and keep it in a safe place. Now, open a new email to the person you want to gift. Paste the 25-character code into the message and add a short note so they know it's an Xbox gift card. You might include the amount you purchased and a reminder to keep the code private. Double-check the recipient's email address to avoid sending it to the wrong person, then hit send. That's it. You've purchased an Xbox gift card, received the digital code, and emailed it to someone. Keep the original receipt email for your records, and you're all set. Enjoy gifting.